Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss questions on map pointing. Right, so you can follow me on my Facebook page and these are some details, right? So next we see further. So this series will be most important for UPSC prelims as well as geography optional friends, right? So our first question is, your journey starts from Kerala, right, friends? Your journey starts from Kerala, and your destination is Andhra Pradesh, right? Destination is Andhra Pradesh. So, how many states you have to cross minimum? How many states you have to cross minimum? So, option number A says two states. Option number B says 3 states, and option number C says 4 states, and option number D says none of the above. Right? So which would be the answer for this? So friends, do pause the video and open your atlas, look at your map, and then only you should answer, friends, right? By this only you can be practiced well for the map pointing, right, friends? So now let me take you to the map. So this is your Kerala, friends, right? This is Kerala, and your journey is towards Andhra Pradesh, right? This is your Andhra Pradesh. So you need to go from Kerala to Andhra Pradesh. So if you go from Tamil Nadu as well, or else if you go from Karnataka, the distance would be, the minimum states you should cross will be same, friends, right? So that is 2 states. This is 1 and the rest is 2, whether it is Karnataka or Tamil Nadu. So our answer would be 2. So let us see in this option. So option A will be the right answer for this question, friends, right? So next we see here bordering states of the Kerala. What are the bordering states of the Kerala? That is Karnataka first state and Tamil Nadu will be the second state, right, friends? So here 2 states are bordering for borders of the Kerala, right? And what are the borders of Andhra Pradesh? That is Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, and fourth one is Odisha, right, friends? Here 4 states are bordering towards the 4 states, and this one will be the 5th state, friends, right? Chhattisgarh. 5 states are bordering towards the Andhra Pradesh, friends, right? So these you have to remember, right? Next we see further, friends, for next question. Next question says, let me erase this, right, friends? Now the other question says, for example, you are standing towards Tamil Nadu. You are standing in the state of Tamil Nadu and you need to travel towards UP, right, friends? You need to travel towards UP, that is to the state of UP. So how many states you have to cross minimum? So how many states you have to cross the minimum, friends, right? So here from Tamil Nadu you are starting, friends, right? So options are here, let me give you options. Options are 4, B is 5, C 6, and D is 7, right, friends? So Tamil Nadu to UP, let me see the map, let me show you. So this is your Tamil Nadu, friends, right? So this would be the Tamil Nadu, right? And this is the UP. don't be too cartographic in your examinations, friends. Mains examinations, no need to worry about this, right, friends? So let me now draw. So he is asking about minimum states, friends, right, not maximum, right? Here it is asking about minimum states. So let us find. So obviously Tamil Nadu would be the one state, right? Next, if we go to Karnataka, it would be second, then Maharashtra, then Madhya Pradesh. It would be in this way. If else, Tamil Nadu first, Andhra Pradesh second, Telangana third, Madhya Pradesh fourth, then sorry, Maharashtra fourth, Madhya Pradesh then fifth. So it will be little bit longer. So we won't go for Maharashtra. Next, Telangana. After then we go for Chhattisgarh, right, friends? Or else one, this Andhra Pradesh two, Odisha is three, right, friends? Odisha and Jharkhand will be four. So minimum four states can be crossed, friends, right? Whether if you want to go from in this way, whether if you want to go from in this way, whether if you want to go from in this way also, friends, right? However you want to go, you may go, but you need to cross at least four states, friends, right? So answer for this question is option number A will be the right answer, right? Let me erase this, friends. So answer for this is A. Now let us see the borders of the states as well, right? Because how many borders are there, it is very much important, friends. So now we will talk about the Tamil Nadu, right? So this is your Tamil Nadu, right? So Kerala first state, then comes Karnataka, then third one will be your Andhra Pradesh, friends, right? So Tamil Nadu has three bordering states. And what about UP, right, friends? So UP has, we will see Uttarakhand first state, Himachal Pradesh second state, Haryana third state, Rajasthan fourth state, Madhya Pradesh fifth state, Chhattisgarh sixth state, Jharkhand seventh state, and Bihar will be the eighth state, right? So UP has total 8 bordering states, friends, right? So in this way you have to remember these, friends, right? This will not be given in any kind of books, so you have to remember, you have to practice this, right? So open your atlas, then only you have to answer. Unless and until by looking the map, you should never give the answer even if you know that, right? Because by seeing the map itself, you can do practice very much, right, friends? Next we see examples, right, friends? Next we see, not examples, next we see some other questions for friends. For example, you are standing in the state of Assam, right, and you need to go for state of Karnataka, right? You need to go for state of Karnataka. So how many states minimum you have to cover? How many states you will cross in minimum, right, friends? So Assam will be the first state, right, and it should be through by land only, not by water body, friends, right? Your journey should be through land itself, not by water, sea water, something, right? So our first state would be Assam, this West Bengal would be the second, then comes our Jharkhand, that is third state, right? Then comes Odisha as fourth state, then Andhra Pradesh is a fifth state. So 5 states would be the minimum, friends. 5 states we have to cross by minimum. See here, friends, if you go through Chhattisgarh, so Jharkhand is 3, Chhattisgarh 4, and Telangana is 5. So even if you go through Chhattisgarh, then also you need to cross at least 5 states. Then if you go from Bihar, so Bihar would be the third state, UP is the fourth, Madhya Pradesh fifth, Maharashtra sixth, and then it will be seventh. So it should be crossed at least six states from Bihar. If you cross through Bihar, so you can go through via West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, right? Or else you can go through also from Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, right, friends? So now we will see the bordering states of Karnataka and Assam, friends, right? So let me erase this, right? So now the bordering states of the Assam. So here let me give you few critical questions for you, because Assam is a favorite portion of the UPSC prelims especially, and geography, UPSC geography also optional. So this is your Karnataka, right? So now let me make you question for you. So what are the borders in clockwise direction, right? So this is the clockwise direction. How many bordering states are located surrounding to the Assam, friends, right? So the options are 4, 5, 6 and none of the above. So your time starts now. Please do pause the video and try to attempt the question, friends, right? So now let me tell you the answer for this. So Andhra Pradesh is the first one, sorry, Arunachal Pradesh is the first one, then comes your Nagaland, then comes Manipur, right, friends, then comes Mizoram, then comes Tripura, right? So then comes your Meghalaya, right? So that is that clear? So friends, you have missing here West Bengal will be the seventh state. So total 7 states are bordering to the Assam, friends. So answer would be D, that is none of the above. None of the above will be the answer, right? So next question we will see here. So in similar pattern we will see for Karnataka as well. In Karnataka it is, we can say that how many landlocked states are bordering to Karnataka. How many landlocked states are bordering to Karnataka, right, friends? So Maharashtra, it has border with water body, so it is run out of option. So Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, it is also has a water body, so it is also run out of a option. So we rest only one state, friends, right? That is Telangana. Telangana is the only landlocked state which is bordering towards the Karnataka, friends, right? So this is one type of question. Now we will see what are the total borders of the Karnataka state, right? So let me erase this, right? So Karnataka has 1 Maharashtra, 2 Telangana, 3 Andhra Pradesh, 4 Tamil Nadu and 5 is the Kerala. So total 5 states will be the borders to the Karnataka, friends, right? So in this way you have to answer. So in examinations you don't have map, friends, so you need to practice a lot before your examination itself, right? So now let me show you something else, friends. This landlocked areas, these are all very much important. This is not only for prelims, right? It is simultaneously important for UPSC geography optional as well, friends, right? So next we see further, in India how many landlocked states are there, right, friends? In India how many landlocked states are there? That is 3 states, 4 states, 5 states, none of the above, right, friends? So option number A, B, C and D. So how many states are there landlocked? I am asking only about the states, not regarding the UTs, right friends? So landlocked, first we will see here, this is Haryana, right? Second one is this one, you can see this UP. I'm asking about only landlocked friends, not waterlogged or something else, right? Third one is Madhya Pradesh, right? Third one is your Madhya Pradesh. Next, fourth one is Chhattisgarh. Next, fifth one is Jharkhand. Next, sixth one is Telangana. Next, seventh one is Bihar. Right friends, so these are the states which have become landlocked, right? So let me see here. So Bihar, it won't be the landlocked friends because it is surrounded by Nepal, so it is not the correct option for this. So we will eliminate Bihar as well, right? Next we will cross check it. Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, right friends? So right, that is it for this friends. So we will see now how many states it is there. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? 6 will be the correct answer friends, so there is no option in this. So for this the correct answer is none of the above. D will be the right answer friends, right? So I'll repeat the question once again. How many landlocked states are there in the country? That is overall 6 states are there. What are they? That is Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh, right friends? So yeah, that is it friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll bring up some other new formats for you in coming videos. So do subscribe for Aqua IAS. Please do like the video if you like. So if not, let me know the problem. So that is it for this video friends. Thank you very much. Have a great day.